In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Drive download quota exceeded error for any file you might be trying to grab. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. One common issue users face with Google Drive is reaching that pesky download quota limit on files. When this happens, it can be a hassle, but thankfully, there are a couple of methods to work around the issue. I'll guide you through them step by step. First, if the file you want to download is part of a shared folder, the first thing you'll want to do is make a copy of that file. So go ahead and right-click on the specific file you're dealing with. You should see an option that says Make a Copy. Click on that. Just a quick reminder, ensure that your own Google Drive has enough free space for this copy, because without that space, the operation won't be successful. Once you've copied the file, head over to the My Drive tab. This is where you'll locate the newly created file copy. You'll usually find it labeled something like Copy of Original File Name. It should be right there in your drive, easy to spot. Now comes the fun part. Right-click on this copied file and you'll see an option to download it. Click that and then select Download Anyway to start the download process. And just like that, you're bypassing the download quota issue. Now let's move on to our second method. If the file is shared via a direct link, you can still save the file without hitting that quota. Start by clicking the Google Drive icon that appears in the top right corner of the shared link page. When you click that, watch as it magically transforms into a folder icon. It's a slight change, but it signifies that you're about to add this file to your own drive. Next, you want to select Add Shortcut. Highlight My Drive, then click on that option to add the shortcut to your own drive. Once you've done that, return to the folder icon, click it, and select My Drive. This action will redirect you to your personal Google Drive space, where the shortcut you've just added will be visible. Now to actually download the file, look for that shortcut in your My Drive. Right-click it, just as you would with any file, and choose the Download option from the menu. Once again, you will be prompted to Download Anyway. Click on that, and voila! You've successfully downloaded the file without running into any quota issues. So there you have it. No need to stress about Google Drive's download quota again. Whether you're making copies or creating shortcuts, these methods allow you to access your files without a hitch. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for joining me today, and happy downloading!